Good morning, class 12. In business study class, today's our topic is chapter 9.2, that is capital structure, concept and determinants. First of all, we have to understand the concept of capital structure, meaning of capital structure. Meaning of capital structure is to find out the different sources proportion in the capital of a company will be known as the capital structure, and here is the definition that it refers to the relative proportion of different sources of long-term funds. We can understand this topic with an example. Suppose a company introduces its capital by raising the different amount by different long-term sources. Suppose company collect the money from equity share, preference share, borrowed capital, retained profit. Right? Retained profit means capital collected, profit collected and then introduced in the business known as the retained profit. So we have to understand in this chapter first of all the meaning of capital structure, capitalization and financial structure. So first of all we understood the concept of financial structure. In this example of a company, money raised from the issue of equity share is 4,50,000. Money collected from the issue of preference share 2,25,000. Borrowed capital 1,12,500 and the retained profit 1,12,500, and there is a current liability of 1 lakh. So the total of equity and liability side is 10 lakh. So with this example we have to understood the concept of financial structure, capitalization and capital structure. Well, we find out the percentage of different sources in the total of equity and liability side known as the financial structure. Suppose the total of equity and liability side in this example is 10 lakh including current liability. So when we find out the percentage of equity share capital out of 10 lakh, 4,50,000 divided by 10 lakh into 100, the percentage of equity share capital is 45%. The percentage of preference share capital 2,25,000 divided by 10 lakh into 100, 22.5%. Percentage of borrowed capital 11.25. Percentage of retained profit 11.25. And the percentage of current liability is 10%. So when we find out the percentage of different sources of capital out of the total of equity and liability side, that will be known as the financial structure of a company. So the financial structure means when we find out the percentage of the percentage of various sources of capital in total of equity and liability side, that will be known as the financial structure including current liability. But now the number 2 concept, that is capitalization. Capitalization means out of the total equity and liability side, when we excluding the current liability, it will be known as the capitalization. Suppose the total equity and liability side is 10 lakh. When we deducted 1 lakh from 10 lakh, then the total is 9 lakh. This total will be known as the capitalization. So capitalization means when the different money collected from different sources excluding current liability known as the capital structure. For example, equity share capital, preference share capital, borrowed capital, retained profit, capital, current liability total is 10 lakh. And when current liability is excluding from it 1 lakh, then the total is 9 lakh. this 9 lakh total will be known as the capitalization. So now the concept is capital structure. जब हमने 10 लाख में से डिफरेंट सोर्सेज की परसेंटेज निकाली थी 45%, 22.5, 11.5, तो जब 10 लाख में से परसेंटेज कैलकुलेट करते हैं डिफरेंट सोर्सेज की, वो तो होता है फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रक्चर. लेकिन जब हम डिफरेंट सोर्सेज का परसेंटेज एक्सक्लूडिंग करंट लाइबिलिटी में से निकालेंगे, देन इट विल बी नोन एज द कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर. When the percentage is calculated on the basis of 10 lakh, it's a financial structure. But when the percentage is to be calculated out of 9 lakh, then it will be known as the financial structure. This percentage denote the capital structure. This percentage denote the financial structure, and this percentage denotes the capital structure. So 4,50,000 divided by 9 lakh into 150%. 2,25,000 divided by 9 lakh into 125%. 1,12,500 divided by 9 lakh into 112.5%. So when percentage is calculated out of 10 lakh, then it will be known as the financial structure. And out of total 10 lakh, when current liability is excluded, it's 9 lakh, and when the percentage is calculated out of 9 lakh, then this percentage denotes the capital structure. Capital structure means percentage find out excluding current liability. So here are three concepts: financial structure, capitalization, capital structure. When the percentage of different sources is calculated out of total, that will be known as the financial structure. When the current liability excluding from total, that will be known as the capitalization. And when the percentage of different sources is collected from the total excluding current liability, known as the capital structure. So student, this was the introduction of the chapter, including three concepts, that is financial structure, capitalization and capital structure. You have to read it, and the next concept will be explained in the next video. Thank you.